Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Raju.
Hayi bafowethu Stibo.
Yeah.
Moya wako fast. But the minute go Mzansi go PSL,
yes,
why introduce a Betway?
Yes.
Whatever that came in your mind, it was match fixing.
Oh.
And then that was the problem this season. And going forward,
yeah,
we are going to cry.
Yes.
Chiefs was going to be the very first victim to play this role.
Yes.
Because tell me,
yeah,
when you are playing with Stellenbosch,
yeah,
how can you take Mabuya out in your mind if you were not late? You can't do that.
Yeah.
You lose the game.
Yeah.
Who was gonna bet to say Chiefs on that match was going to lose? No one.
Yeah.
And then yata my Stellenbosch yari sharp. We are coming. Chiefs I saw Kori with a backline young Quinika, Lee McCarthy, Lee Cross who come sighting, Kafela Bafelate.
Yeah.
But it happened to Radio Dalani Parete, reintroduce a goalkeeper Lumuraso Dal. What comes to your mind? Match fixing was the problem. But I'm just saying, go management.
Yes.
They must not make it obvious.
Yeah.
Today they made it obvious. That game last Stellenbosch we couldn't see it. But today, that cannot happen. You cannot replace it. Wakenya Mugele, Armagele, it cannot be. Man. It cannot happen. Mona Lilepo Ashapu Wakenya Yena Wakenya Modi for all this season. That's not sharp. This is just match fixing. If South Africans they are obeying this thing, yeah, we are no longer watching 1980s football. Yeah, this one is cooked. It's cooked because it's Joga Parete so Ralusa League so for all this long. Chiefs is just a victim of match fixing and a little Betway. I'm praying with Betway is going to never sponsor a PSA.
Amen. Thank you, Cha. Who's fixing the machine? Thank you.
Betway.
Thank you, Cha.
Betway. I don't like that. Okay. Let me tell you. Bobby will They want. Okay, what Chiefs? Unguna what Chiefs? Unguna what Chiefs? No. Asikale Chiefs. Bafetho rekela Unguna a luxury car. That is million. How are they making profit? Where are they getting the profit? There is something here. Man, Abraham Unguna is the biggest shareholder. Kaizer Chiefs. Recently, birthday Bobina Mregela a luxury car as a regi coach. So you can see where is he getting the profit if he's not winning the cups? Because you need to win the cups and win those million yana and buy players. But Chiefs in Alichalete, where are they getting this money? There is something which is wrong. So match fixing is kind of obvious, guys.
Thank you.
This one here today, pure. Kimasepa is nonsense.